Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know about Phasmophobia's full release and features coming up in 2026. So Phasmophobia is officially fully releasing. It will have its official exit from early access after years of updates. It will include the long-awaited Horror 2.0 overhaul with new scares, events, and interactions. The full 1.0 release will add brand new player models with significantly improved visual quality. There will be free character customizations such as clothing, hats, and cosmetics, as well as more realistic animations and movements to improve immersion. There will also be hand-based interactions such as opening doors, turning equipment on or off, and new death and revive animations such as levitation deaths, revival sequences, and much more. There will also be improved player presence, so visible full body shadows and arms instead of floating hands, and there will be more lifelike movement to reduce immersion breaking animations. When the new release comes out, it will also have visual and asset overhaul while keeping the familiar layout largely intact, so get ready for brand new visuals. There'll be new interactions and small layout tweaks, and some added environmental storytelling and lore tied to the locations. There will also be a Nintendo Switch 2 release in 2026. It will be launching alongside the 1.0 release across all platforms. There will be also expanded lore and map storytelling, so there'll be more hidden narrative elements across maps. What are some features you want in the full Phasmophobia release? Let us know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.